One common issue with Roombas is failing to connect to Wi-Fi. Another problem is erratic behavior, where the Roomba bumps into walls repeatedly without cleaning effectively. Persistent errors often show as a flashing red light or continuous beeping. A factory reset wipes the robot's memory, restoring it to original settings and clearing these issues. Watch how a normal Roomba can glitch out, then return to normal after a reset. After performing the factory reset, the Roomba returns to normal operation. To identify your Roomba model, check the underside of your robot. Model numbers are typically printed directly on the robot or on a sticker. Knowing your exact model is crucial for finding the correct factory reset procedure, as methods can vary slightly between series. Look for brush rollers and components on the underside, as shown here. The model information is often near these parts. On many models, you'll find a gray label with the Roomba logo, regulatory information, and model number like RVEY1. An arrow may point directly to the serial number label on the bottom, which includes model details. Compare different Roomba models to identify yours. Notice the variations in design and base stations. Regulatory labels provide detailed manufacturing and model information, including the specific model number for your Roomba. First, make sure your iSeries Roomba is powered on and ready for reset. Press and hold the Home, Spot Clean, and Clean buttons simultaneously. Continue holding all three buttons for approximately 20 seconds. The Roomba will power down and then restart automatically. Confirm the reset with the default startup light sequence. To factory reset your Roomba series, start by opening the iRobot Home app on your smartphone. Next, navigate to the Product Settings menu for your Roomba. Scroll down in the Settings and select the Factory Reset option. Finally, confirm the reset by tapping Yes when prompted. If you prefer to reset without the app, you can do it directly on the Roomba. Press and hold the Home, Spot Clean, and Clean buttons simultaneously for 20 seconds until the robot resets. To reset a Roomba 600, 800, or 900 series model, begin by pressing and holding the Dock, Spot Clean, and Clean buttons at the same time. Continue holding all three buttons simultaneously for approximately 20 seconds. After holding the buttons, the Roomba will power down as part of the reset process. The Roomba will then restart automatically, displaying its startup sequence to confirm the factory reset is complete. After resetting your Roomba, open the iRobot Home app on your smartphone. In the app, add your Roomba back as a new device. It will appear as a new Roomba ready to set up. Follow the Wi-Fi connection process. Make sure to enter your correct Wi-Fi password when prompted. Once connected, your Roomba will appear in the app with its original name or a prompt to rename it. Alternatively, connect without the app by putting the Roomba into pairing mode and connecting directly to Wi-Fi. After a factory reset, your Roomba needs to perform an initial cleaning run to remap your home. This mapping helps it optimize cleaning paths and avoid obstacles. The Roomba will begin its cleaning cycle, systematically moving through your home to create a new floor plan. For models with Imprint Smart Mapping, this process builds an intelligent map in the iRobot Home app. As the Roomba cleans, watch the map being constructed in real time on your smartphone. The app displays rooms, furniture, and navigation paths as the robot explores. It's crucial to avoid interrupting the Roomba during this initial mapping run. Do not pick it up, block its path, or interact with it until mapping is complete. This ensures an accurate and complete floor plan. Once mapping is finished, your home is fully mapped. The app will show a complete floor plan with all rooms labeled, ready for optimized cleaning schedules. If the factory reset isn't working, first double-check that you're using the correct button combination for your specific Roomba model. Ensure the buttons are held down for the full 20 seconds. Use a timer to track the time accurately. A common error is not holding the buttons long enough. The timer must reach 20 seconds. If the reset still doesn't work, try charging the Roomba fully before attempting again. Another common issue is using the wrong button combination for your model. Refer to the correct sequence. As a last resort, contact iRobot customer support. Visit their website or call for assistance. Remember to be patient during the reset process. It may take time, but following these steps should resolve most issues.